All right, so I know this is a slight departure from the typical how-to video series, but this is what is ActiveCampaign. So ActiveCampaign is a platform I've been using for years. I think probably about 5+ years now, I believe. And it is a autoresponder and CRM platform. Now, what does that mean? That means it allows you to do actually a number of key things. One, if somebody opts into a form, ActiveCampaign stores that information for you to be able to contact and reach back out to them later on. And then ideally, you can actually set it up so that way emails are sent out over time, scheduled on a regular basis to be sent out to them without you having to go in and send emails every single day. So that's one big key part. Number two, it's a CRM, which means it allows you, when you store that information, if somebody is a lead, it allows you to track their progress from becoming a lead to becoming a paid client. So you actually go in, set them up, and you can see what stage they're at, as in they just met you, as in the same way that you would evaluate the stage of a relationship with somebody. You're in the honeymoon stage, the getting to know you stage, the engagement stage, the marriage stage, right? So there's different stages you can take a potential customer through, and it allows you to track them on all the stages. And in doing that, take notes of every phone call, every email, every message that's been sent. So that way you know exactly what's going on at all times. And if you have a team, they also know what's happening at all times. It's that same thing where if you call a call center and for some reason you're confused as to how they understand and remember everything about all the other conversations, it's because they have a system tracking all the previous conversations and notes with the other analysts. You can have that same system in place too. Activecampaign does a number of other neat things. You can create landing pages in there as well. There's some chat features in there as well. At its core, though, it is a communication platform that allows you to send out automated emails, and you can use it to send out text messages as well to your audience that opts in to hear and learn more from you. So, hope that's been useful. If you want to check out ActiveCampaign, there will be an affiliate link down below. Again, I recommend it. There's also some reviews if you haven't checked it out on ActiveCampaign. You see those links somewhere if that review is up at the moment. I appreciate you and all you do. Make sure you share this, like this, and of course subscribe if you're enjoying this content and you find it useful. I'll see you in the next one, and as usual, treat each day as a building block to a better future. Peace.